The Law of Relativity, Explained. This is video number 9 in a series explaining the 12 universal laws for beginners. If you haven't seen the first 8, make sure to watch them for a better understanding. What is the law of relativity? The spiritual and metaphysical aspects of this law of relativity tell us that everything in our physical world is only made real by its relationship to or comparison to something else. Light only exists because we compare it to the dark. Good can only exist because we compare it to bad. Hot can only exist because we compare it to cold. Each person will receive a series of problems, tests of initiation or lessons, for the purpose of strengthening the light within each of these tests or lessons to be a challenge and remain connected to our hearts when proceeding to solve the problems. This law also teaches us to compare our problems to others' problems in their proper perspective. No matter how bad we perceive our situation to be, there is always someone who is in a worse position. It's all relative. In fact, everything in our lives is just as it is until we compare it to something. Nothing in life has any meaning except for the meaning that we give it. It is all in how you look at your situation and what thoughts and perspective you choose to think about it with. When you focus on good thoughts and energies, more good things will come to you. Likewise, if you focus on how bad your situation is, you will attract more bad. You can always compare your life situation to someone else's, and it will look better or worse depending on your point of view and how you look at it. If you compare your situation to someone else's whose is worse, yours will look better. No matter the situation at hand, there is always someone worse off than there is always someone better. However, from a spiritual point of view, we can remove barriers of labeling and accept everything as is. From A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle. In form, you are and will always be inferior to some and superior to others. In essence, you are neither inferior nor superior to anyone. True self-esteem and true humility arise out of that realization. In the eyes of the ego, self-esteem and humility are contradictory. In truth, they are one and the same. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.